In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay directly. Whether you need help with a purchase, resolving a dispute, or just have some questions about your account, reaching out to eBay can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But fear not. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get in touch with them quickly and directly. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate over to ebay.com. This is your starting point, one you're probably quite familiar with if you're an eBay user. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice a Help and Contact link situated conveniently at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open a world of helpful resources and guide you closer to getting the assistance you need. Now that you've clicked on Help and Contact, you should find yourself on a page with several options designed to assist you on your eBay journey. But what you're looking for here is to make direct contact with an eBay representative. So, your next move is to find and click Contact Us. This will take you to the next step where you can start detailing your specific issue. Once you're on the Contact Us page, eBay will prompt you with a series of questions. These are designed to help narrow down the specifics of your problem, which allows eBay to route you to the most skilled support personnel for handling that issue. Take a moment to answer these questions as clearly and accurately as you can. The more precise your answers, the more efficiently eBay can provide the assistance you need. Now, after you've answered the initial questions, you have the option to interact with eBay's automated assistant. This virtual helper is available around the clock and offers some basic FAQ-type responses, which might just resolve your issue right then and there. To access this service, look for the button that says Chat with our automated assistant and give it a click. But let's say your issue requires speaking with an actual human being, which is often the case with more complex problems. Here's where you take it to the next level. While chatting with the automated assistant, you can simply type the phrase, "I want to talk to a representative," and then hit send. This should trigger the system to connect you to a live representative who can handle your call and provide you with the tailored assistance you're looking for. By following these steps, not only have you taken the initiative to solve your problem, but you've also learned how straightforward it is to contact eBay directly when you need to. So, next time an issue arises, you'll know exactly where to find the help you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in navigating eBay's help system.